In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add balance in Printify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can fund your Printify wallet and keep orders moving without delays. Start by opening your Printify dashboard in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you land on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. That vertical sidebar is your navigation panel, and it's where you'll find all the key account sections. From that left panel, click Wallet. This is where Printify tracks your available funds, recent top-ups, and charges for order production and shipping. Inside the wallet area, select Payments. Think of this as the control center for how you add money and how Printify bills your orders. It's a good spot to revisit later if you want to review funding history. Next, click Add Money. Adding funds up front helps prevent failed charges and speeds up fulfillment, especially if you have multiple orders in production. When the amount screen appears, decide how much you want to deposit. You'll see a few suggested amounts designed to cover common order volumes. If one of those fits your needs, choose it. Otherwise, enter a custom amount. Just remember there's a minimum of $10. A quick tip, consider your average daily order cost and add enough to comfortably cover a few days or even a week so you're not topping up too often. Also, make sure the currency shown matches your business setup. Now select your payment method. You'll see the options available for your account, such as a saved card or another supported provider. After you choose a method, a new window will open so you can continue securely. If nothing appears, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow the window for this site. In that new window, follow the prompts to connect and authorize your chosen payment method. Confirm the amount, complete any verification steps requested by your bank or provider, and finish the authorization. When that's done, you'll be returned to Printify. Your wallet balance should reflect the new funds shortly. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. You can always revisit the wallet and payments sections to review your funding activity and make sure everything looks correct. That's all there is to it. You've navigated from the dashboard to wallet, opened payments, clicked Add Money, chosen an amount, selected a payment method, completed the secure authorization window, and connected your payment method to proceed. You're now ready to fulfill orders smoothly with a funded Printify wallet.